Let me show you on this video how to send your PDF to your Box drive. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to send your PDFs to your Box drive. So let's get started. This is my main workspace and we are going to select the form that we want to integrate with. So in this case, I'm going to use this feedback form. So let's go ahead and edit the form. And once we're here, we're going to jump into settings. And in settings, we're going to go to integrations and we're going to search for Box. So let's go ahead and do so right now. And it's right here. Let's go ahead and select it. And we're going to make that integration right here. So let's go ahead and connect Jotform with a Box. So let's go ahead and grant access. If you're not logged into Box, it will ask you to log in first. Once you've done so, we are ready to go. So this is going to be the folder name in this case, and I'm going to name it feedback test because this is just for testing purposes. Then we're going to create a subfolder for each submission, and that is optional. In this case, I will turn it on and I can set subfolder name to, for example, submission ID, and I'm going to use the name. That way I can locate it easily. Then we have the send submissions PDF to Box. This is exactly what we want. So let's go ahead and select the PDF that we want to send over. And if you use PDF editor, you'll find several PDFs available here. In this case, I'm going to use this one. And do we want to send the uploaded field to Box too? Yes, if there's a file uploaded, I also want to send over there too. Let's go ahead and save. Here we go. Let's go ahead and preview the form and let's fill this out with demo data. And here we go. Let's go ahead and submit. In this case, we're not going to upload anything. And that folder should be created here in Box, plus the brand new submission with the PDF. So let's go ahead and refresh. And here it is, feedback test. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's open up the subfolder that we created. And here's the PDF. And here it is. The PDF is now right inside of my Box drive. So connecting Jotform with Box is super easy to send over your PDFs. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Jotform, build your form, connect with Box, and send over those PDFs automatically. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.